But Mohit, there's a lot of also subconscious messaging that's goading investors to, take riskier bets than they would have liked to. So how do DI investors sidestep it when, it's a unconscious or subconscious decision, right, that they're making. So how do they knowingly sidestep it?
Look, so I think there are both pros and cons of technology, Sumaira. I think technology gives you that ability to execute swiftly, on the go, research, monitor, do a consolidated reporting, which are many advantages. And that's the reason why a horde of investors are moving towards DIY platform. It's quite quick, easy, seamless, and within fraction of a minute, you can actually go ahead and execute your transactions. And compare that to the old era when you had to actually sit back and fill forms, cut out checks, and do all those manual works. And one error could have actually resulted in a loss of what do you say, resulted in huge compensation, or could have resulted in a loss of value for you, right? So those advantages are intrinsic, but as you rightly said, those nudges and those soft push which comes with a digital platform, one has to be very, very careful. Now, my two bits on that is that A, try and see whether your platform is offering you everything free of cost, or are they really charging you something. Look, there are no free lunches in financial world, Somara, and let's be very
Very
honest about it. Even we run a platform and we have to survive for our sake, basically. So we have to charge our clients a fee or a money or some portion of as you call it, you might call it advisory fee, or you might call it platform fee. There could be different nomenclatures for it, but if the platform is charging something, that means they have a revenue model. But if they're not charging you something, they're giving you absolutely everything free, and they're giving you direct plans also, which means there has to be some other ways and means how the platform is making money. So in that cases, in those particular specific cases, your radar has to actually go up for an investor, and try and be more cautious when you are trading in those platforms, basically. And then you have to be a little beware of those soft nudges. So they will keep flashing new NFOs, new IPOs, new offers, funds being sorted just on last 1 year returns. These are all red flags to me, honestly. If you get a lot many nudges around these, if you get a lot many push items or mail communications around these kind of things, then you have to be aware. One or two is fine. Telling you about what is on offer is fine, but giving you soft nudges and invoking that greed and fear hypothesis to make you purchase something can really be harmful for an investor in long run. So my whole thing is, you have to be very, very careful whether a platform has some revenue model, and plus, are they giving you too many nudges around NFOs and few of these latest offerings. That typically shows that one is more keen on building AUM and not going by the right process for investments for a particular client and his suitability.